Chapter 19. Beyond the Reset. Maintaining Gut Health for Life. Resetting your gut is just the beginning. True, lasting gut health requires a long-term commitment to daily habits that support your microbiome rather than a temporary cleanse or quick fix. The gut is a dynamic ecosystem, constantly adapting to your diet, lifestyle, stress levels, and environment. If you want to keep your digestion running smoothly, prevent inflammation, and optimize your overall well-being, you need to adopt sustainable habits that nourish your microbiome for life. Many people see incredible results after following a gut reset: improved digestion, better energy, reduced bloating, clearer skin, and even enhanced mental clarity. But if you go back to old habits, processed foods, chronic stress, poor sleep, you can quickly undo the progress you've made. Instead, the goal should be to turn short-term improvements into a long-term, gut-friendly lifestyle. Building a gut-healthy lifestyle. Maintaining gut health for life isn't about perfection. It's about consistency, balance, and mindful choices. Here are some key principles to keep your gut thriving. Prioritize whole, nutrient-dense foods. Stick to a diverse, fiber-rich diet with plenty of fermented foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Aim for at least 30 different plant foods per week to feed beneficial bacteria. Limit gut disruptors. While occasional indulgences are fine, minimize ultra-processed foods, added sugars, artificial sweeteners, and excessive alcohol, which can damage gut bacteria and weaken the intestinal lining. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for digestion, nutrient absorption, and toxin elimination. Herbal teas, bone broth, and electrolyte-rich drinks can further support gut health. Manage stress daily. Chronic stress is one of the biggest disruptors of gut balance. Practice breathwork, meditation, yoga, or other relaxation techniques to keep your nervous system in check. Get consistent, high-quality sleep. Poor sleep can shift the microbiome in just a few days. Aim for 7 to 9 hours per night and maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Move your body. Regular exercise improves gut motility, microbial diversity, and inflammation levels. Even daily walks, strength training, or yoga can make a difference. Listen to your gut. Pay attention to how certain foods, stress, or sleep patterns affect your digestion. Symptoms like bloating, irregular bowel movements, or low energy are signs your gut may need extra support. Making gut health a lifelong habit. It's easy to get excited about gut health when you're actively working on a reset, but the real challenge is sustaining those habits over months and years. Here are a few strategies to stay on track long term. Plan and prepare. Gut-friendly meals. Make it easy to eat well by prepping fiber-rich meals and gut-healing staples like fermented veggies, bone broth, and homemade probiotic drinks. Reintroduce foods. Mindfully, if you've eliminated certain foods during your reset, reintroduce them slowly to see how your gut reacts. Keeping a food journal can help you identify hidden triggers. Keep learning and experimenting. Science is constantly evolving, and so is your body. Stay curious about new gut health research, try different probiotic strains, or explore seasonal, diverse foods. Find balance, not perfection. Life happens. Travel, holidays, and social events might mean indulging in foods that aren't ideal for gut health. That's okay. Just return to your foundational habits instead of feeling guilty. Check in with your gut regularly. Every few months, assess how your digestion feels. If you notice bloating, sluggishness, or other issues creeping back, it may be time to reset, refine, or adjust your habits.